Welcome back to our channel. Let's take a quiz on kitchen utensils. What do we use to eat soup? Spoon, fork or knife? It's a spoon. A spoon is used to scoop and eat liquids. Which one is used to cut vegetables? Plate, knife or cup? A knife is sharp and helps us to cut vegetables into pieces. What do we use to drink milk? Bowl, mug or pan? A mug is a perfect for holding drinks like milk or hot chocolate. What do we use to flip a pancake? Spatula, plate or knife? A spatula turns pancake over while cooking without breaking them. Where do we bake cakes? Oven, fridge or cupboard? An oven. An oven gets hot and it's used to bake cakes and cookies. What do we use to drink juice? Knife, glass or frying pan? Glass. A glass is made for drinking things like juice or water, which help us to fry veggies. Frying pan, spoon or plate? A frying pan. What do we use to eat rice? Spoon, fork or knife? A spoon. A spoon is used to scoop and eat rice easily. What holds food on the table? Plate, knife or ladle? A plate. A plate holds your food so you can eat from it. What helps us to pick up spaghetti? Fork, mug or bowl? It's a fork. A fork has points that help us to grab long noodles like spaghetti. Thank you for watching our channel. Like, share and subscribe.